Welcome to the Zendesk User License Report walkthrough video. This tool creates a report of all non-end user accounts within Zendesk and shows the access control, license assignment, and login information. This report will be emailed to you after the template finishes running, and you have the ability to schedule this report to be generated as a recurring job. First, choose the Zendesk User License Report template from the library. Then select the workspace you want to run the template in. Next, choose the dataset you want to work with that has been created with the Import Zendesk Dataset template. After launching, you will be taken to the Configure Report stage, where you can set the number of days without a login you would like to flag as a warning and alert. Next, configure the email settings, in case you want to send this report directly to other people. The time it takes to generate the report will vary depending on the number of licenses in your Zendesk environment. Finally, the report will arrive in your inbox. We hope this walkthrough has helped you understand how to configure and launch the Zendesk User License Report template in Voliere. Watch the rest of our walkthrough videos to see how else Voliere can help you better manage your IT. Thanks for watching.